Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to save files in Canva on a mobile phone. Now, if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Okay, let's open the design first. For example, you want to download this design. Just go over here on top and click on this. Okay, here, just click on this download option. Now you can download this file. For example, you want to download your design in PDF format. So just click on this drop down arrow, and from here you can select PDF, JPG, uh, presentation, GIF, MP4 video, whatever you want. Okay, you can also increase its size, compress file by clicking over here. And after that, just click on download, and you are good to go. Your file will be downloaded after this. So that's it. That's how you can save files in Canva. Thanks for watching.